In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Lenovo laptop brightness not working in Windows 11. So the first thing you may want to do is open up Device Manager, and to do that, click on the Start menu and simply type in Device Manager and open it up. Now once inside, first expand the monitor's drop-down button. Then next look for your main monitor, then right click on it and click on Disable Device. Then next look for Display Adapters. Then also expand the drop down button and whatever graphics card that you have or any entry inside this, all you have to do is right click on this and click on Uninstall Device. Also, make sure that you tick the box beside Attempt to remove the driver for this device, then proceed by pressing the Uninstall button. After that, click on the same device and now press Update Device Driver at the top menu. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And now select a compatible hardware. Then press Next. Once the driver has been updated, the issue should then be fixed. Now, if none of those work in your desktop's wallpaper, right-click, then click on Open in Terminal. So here, all you have to do is type in the same code as you see in the screen, SFC, then slash scan now, then press Enter. And once the scan is done, all you have to do now is try restarting your Lenovo laptop. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!